Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to unpoke on Facebook, remove all pokes in Facebook for 2025. Alright, the first thing you want to do right now is check on your software just to make sure we have the latest version so you won't have any problem moving forward. So going by settings right here, going to the general application, and looking for software update. As of now, while I'm recording this video, I have 18.5 iOS, the latest version available on my device. So as you can see, there is no pending update. Next up, while you're done with that one, go over to App Store. We're just making sure that the application, since we're talking about Facebook, is that it's going to be updated to the latest version as well. And as you can see right here, it is not updated to the latest version. However, I have the latest version that is going to be enough for the poke and unpoke option, so I'm going to leave it as it is. So please on your end update it if that's going to be necessary. Other than that, open up Facebook right here, search pokes on your search bar, and you can see this option. And as you can see right there, I do not have any poke option as of now since I'm not poking anyone. However, if you have poked someone, just click this one. You can see the option to unpoke them on this option right there. And you'll be good to go. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.